Hello, this is the device, a glass, wherein I put the egg that will be scrambled inside of its shell. It's an empty marmalade jar in which I glued some foam pads to keep the egg nicely in place. Drill the hole through the lid and put a bolt with washers, 2 washers through it. Now the egg, of course, will be stuck in here and it's held in place by the foam pads. The lid will be screwed on. Now here we have the drill clamped into a vise to hold it. Now you see the device, the container is mounted on the drill. Now you do that a few times and then the egg is nicely scrambled within its shell. And now here we have the scrambled egg inside its own shell after, of course, the eggshell has been removed. Scrambled egg, all the yolk and the white more or less pretty much nicely mixed.